Hey guys, my name is Gregory Plochet, and this is for my CS50 SQL final project, and this is titled the NBA Tracker. You can find me on GitHub at Jaru at 4 U's, edX Jaru with 3 U's, and I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. This was recorded on October 20th, 2024. The scope of my database is to store sports statistics for future reference. Inside of the sports database, it will house teams, games, players, and coaches. Basically, you'll have teams, players, basic identification, information, and also all of the outcomes. While there is a lot of sports and leagues, this database will only cover the NBA, aka National Basketball League. All other levels of play is outside the scope of this database. This database will assign players and coaches to teams, give historical data on teams' history, and hold identified information about players. The data will be represented by tables using SQLite. We have teams, ID, city, coach name, players, games, and coaches. Players, you'll have the name, age, position, team ID. Games will have ID, location, time, winner, loser, and then the final scores. Coaches is kind of like players. You'll have ID, team, hire date, wins, and losses. And also created a ER diagram to display this. So in the center you have teams. Everything revolves around the teams. And the players have one team. The teams have one-to-many players. Teams have one-to-many coaches. Coaches have one team. And then games have two teams, but I put one-to-many, and teams have one-to-many games. And then I've also created optimizations and limitations. Mainly the limitations is I don't have the championship information. So if we do SQLite 3, a.db, yes, .read, schema, .sql, runs no errors, .read, queries, .sql, runs no error. And as you see, this is my schema: teams, players, games, coaches. I have a couple indexes for popular searches. And then these are my different queries. Example query: find which team plays for New Orleans, who won the most games this season, find the coaches, and then adding data into the teams. So as we see here, as we just ran our insert, select from teams. Boom. Alright, this is my project. Thank you very much.